What is Microsoft Fabric? Imagine this. You're managing a massive orchestra, with each musician playing a crucial part. But instead of violins and trumpets, you've got analytics tools, data pipelines, and storage systems. The challenge? Making them all play together harmoniously. That's where Microsoft Fabric comes in, a conductor for your entire data ecosystem. Microsoft Fabric is a unified platform for managing and analyzing data across your organization. It combines the power of multiple tools, like Power BI for analytics, Azure Data Factory for data integration, and Synapse for big data processing, into one seamless experience. Think of it as your all-in-one toolkit for turning raw data into actionable insights. Here's the kicker. Fabric isn't just a collection of tools. It's an ecosystem designed to work as a single unit. With Microsoft Fabric, you don't have to jump between different services to move data, process it, and analyze it. Everything is connected, allowing you to build end-to-end data solutions effortlessly. For example, you can ingest data from multiple sources, transform it in a single workspace, and then visualize it in Power BI without ever leaving the Fabric environment. Plus, it's all built on the scalability and reliability of Azure, so it can handle massive workloads. And the best part? Microsoft Fabric introduces something called the One Lake, a unified storage layer. This means all your data is available in one place, cutting down complexity and enabling real-time collaboration across teams. So, if data is the lifeblood of your business, Microsoft Fabric is the system that keeps it flowing smoothly. It's not just about managing data, it's about unlocking its full potential. Make sure to check the description for exclusive resources and tools to help you become a master of machines. Watch again if there's parts that you missed.